Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how we can convert the whole paragraphs and whole documents to increase their font size, and how we can convert the whole paragraph into decreased font size by pressing just single one click. So there is a very shortcut method that you can convert, and you can increase the font size of your document, and you can decrease the font size of your document by pressing the shortcut keys. So let's start now. How can we convert the whole document into increasing of font size and decreasing of font size by one click? So I will just click and select the whole paragraph by pressing Ctrl plus A. When I will press Ctrl and bracket, you can see in a single press the font size is decreased, and when I will select the different bracket and press with Ctrl plus, then you can see this is easily converts and increase their font size. So you can easily increase and decrease the font size by pressing just one click and by your shortcut key. Here is no very specific method that you will first you go to their size, you go to by clicking this increase font size, and by this, and by selecting this which number is you want to use. So there is a no specific protocols. You can easily increase and decrease your document, your font size, by pressing the control with brackets. I hope this video will very helpful for you, and please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment of this channel, of this video. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.